Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer an eSIM from one iPhone to another iPhone. If you are upgrading your device or switching the phones, this process is actually very simple when it is done correctly. So first of all, before hopping on to the steps, you need to make sure that both the iPhones are updated to the latest iOS version and connected to the Wi-Fi. Also enable Bluetooth on both the devices since this is required for eSIM transfer. Once you have done it, you just have to open your new iPhone. Over here, simply open the settings. Inside the settings, tap on the option of cellular. When you are inside the cellular option, you just have to look for the option of add eSIM. Now, when you tap on the option of add eSIM, it is going to redirect you here on the next page where if your carrier supports automatic eSIM transfer, you will see the options like transfer from the nearby iPhone. So you need to tap on that and your old iPhone will display a confirmation prompt. Approve the transfer request and the system will securely move your eSIM profile to the new device. Now you need to wait for the process to complete, which usually takes less than a minute. Once it is done, your cellular plan will be deactivated on your old iPhone and activate on the new iPhone. Now if you don't see the transfer option, you can also tap on the option of use QR code. So your carrier may require the manual activation. In this case, you just have to contact to your carrier and then you need to get a QR code from them. So when you scan the QR code over here, you just have to simply follow further on-screen instructions in order to add the eSIM on your new iPhone. Once it is done, simply test your connection by making a call or enabling the mobile data. So that's how you can do it very easily. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.